Welcome back from winter break. We've made some updates while you were away. A couple of the most commonly asked questions that we've seen so far were two different topics. First, in Google Chrome, a lot of people are asking where their bookmarks are. You should see this screen first. Go ahead and click Sign In. You'll then want to sign in with your Springfield account. Once you've entered your username and password, you will see this pop up where you need to click Link Data. Then you will need to click Yes, I'm in. You can choose to set as default if you want, and you'll see this program pop up, and that will just make links open in Google Chrome by default. Now that we've signed in, you can see our normal bookmarks have appeared. Another common issue we're seeing is the wrong screen being in the wrong place, such as the projector being the default. If you right-click on your desktop background and choose Display Settings, you can get this screen where you can click and drag to rearrange where your screens are. If you're unsure which is which, you can hit Identify to make the number of the screen show up in the corner of the screen. Additionally, you can change your resolution to larger numbers will make everything on your screen look smaller, whereas smaller numbers will make everything look bigger. If you want to make everything on a projector the same as what you're seeing on your screen, you would choose Duplicate these displays instead of Extend these displays under Multiple Display. If you need to change which display is your primary display, that's the one where all your programs open by default and where your Start menu shows up, scroll up to the top of the Display Settings window, click the monitor that you want to be your primary one, and scroll back down to Multiple Displays and click Make this my main display. Last but not least, we have adding programs to the dock. If, for example, you use Google Chrome all the time, once Chrome has been opened up, you can right-click on the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar to keep Chrome, even when it's closed, available on your taskbar. If you want to make something go away, you can right-click on that icon and choose Unpin from the taskbar. If you have any other questions or need additional help, please let us know by emailing us at support@springfield-schools.org. Again, that is support@springfield-schools.org.